Howdy y'all! We're out here in the dead of winter and it's right in the middle of a blackout blue-white, blue-orange blizzard. And we're gonna rehash an old trick that I used to do as a wee mate. It's called a blizzard flip. I don't do like a proper blizzard flip. I'm just gonna throw that out there right from the beginning. I just do like a backside 180 kickflip and then pivot the rest of the way. But you know, it's kind of the Aaron Cairo steez, I guess, if you wanna call it that. So here we go. I'm gonna do my best to land some blizzard flips for you right now. Do you even know what a blizzard is?
Yeah.
What? He's in California, he doesn't know what a blizzard is. I'm gonna start it out with backside kick flips. Then I'm gonna roll into backside cheater 360s, cheater. Don't got him. We're just gonna cheat and spin like a, what do you call those things, tops? This trick makes me so dizzy. Okay, so basically I just need to throw a kickflip into that. And not land primo in the process. It's funny, when I start to do the kickflip, my board under rotates. That's what I'm gonna do 1,000 times before I actually get a good. I don't even know what happened there. No clue at all. I need to actually go power through, power. Good! Well, at least I can backside flip and then turn afterwards. Closer. Brutal. I've got to land this before I get too dizzy. There's like a certain section that you hit where then you went, I can't even see straight. Take a breather, 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 breather. Take your breather. Now you land it. Now you land it. Perfect. Spinning all the ways. Now you land it, primo. Woo! I don't know, I think that was pretty, I was spinning all the way. I know it wasn't like all the way in the air, and honestly, I'm not gonna do it all the way in the air. Similar to all of my tricks, I like a little pivots. The first one was better, but I'm gonna take it. At least there we go. Blizzard, 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 snowstorm, and it's snowing. Where are we? Anyways, that was fun. It's always fun to come out and learn a new trick, even though, like I said, I have done this trick before, but it's kind of a rehash. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was fun for you. It was fun for me to skate. It was fun for me to make it. Please subscribe. Please like this video. Leave your commentaries below. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, brailleskateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.